Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. All the way from $115 price, this coin dropped down to about 0.000001. Yes, Terra Classic can still reach $5. Terra Classic can reach 1 cent, but it all depends on two major factors. It all depends on two major important things Terra Classic needs to try and achieve. If they can achieve this, yes, the price is going to trade at a very high price, and their holders and many holders will be making a lot of money. And I'm happy to talk about Terra Classic because I so much believe on this coin. I actually bought Terra Classic, that was last year. That was when I started buying Terra Classic coin. But please, before you invest on Terra Classic LUNC, please remember to buy what you can afford to lose. Now, LUNC coin, for me, I believe, yes, this coin trading at $5 according to statistics. Terra Classic need to burn over 5 trillion Terra Classic LUNC coins, and with a market cap of over $50 billion. You see, Terra Classic need two major huge tasks to achieve. One is burning over 5 trillion Terra Classic LUNC coin, and the other is also getting over $50 billion Terra Classic market cap, which is not going to be easy, of course. Now, LUNC to 1 cent, okay, to 1 cent. This is $5 and this is 1 cent. Terra Classic need to burn about 3.5 trillion coins, with a market cap of over $10 billion market cap. So I mean, burning about 3.5 trillion and hitting a market cap of over $10 billion can push LUNC to reach 1 cent. And yeah, this is the target. This is where we all have been targeting, because I believe that should be towards about 6,800% to 7,500% if Terra Classic LUNC hit 1 cent at the time of recording this. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.